Time to get some trader talk from pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. And the bulls are up so far this week, Alan.
Well, stocks have surged. We're almost 15% off the bottom and nearly 15% off the top. So we've seen a nice, healthy recovery here in the last couple of weeks.
You are tracking your trades. What's working with your trades this week?
Well, it's November now. We saw a reversal in the market in October. So we've been selling into strength and taking some winners. Now, last week, we took a 50% gain in Citibank that was banking it. And that was after, in November, we've taken a 50% or 100% winner in DuPont and then a 50% gain in FCX.
Well, metals have been hot. Miners are doing well, so great job there. What's your next trade, Alan?
Well, keeping on the metal theme, Alcoa, AA. So I'm looking for an aluminum recycle here. This is a stock that had fallen from a 98 high in March, and now it's been basing out here between 35 and 55 for the last 3 months. So a breakout of this range, now that we're holding above the midpoint pivot, which is very important, a breakout of this range sends this stock to 75.
You love using the in-the-money call options. What's the strategy here, and what's the catalyst behind this play?
Well, a lot going on here. So I'm seeing some bullish buying, and I also see bullish divergence, meaning we made new lows in the stock, but not new highs in implied volatility. That tells us that the shorts are running out of strength. So like we said, this has been trading sideways between 35 and 55 for 3 months. So I'm looking at the March 40 call. March gives us 4 months of time. It's only $100 more expensive to buy in January for twice as much time.
Let's get your trading day takeaways as a pro trader. What do you see happening in this market?
What's got my attention is the tech turn. So the Dow led the way. Now the NDX has moved above the halfway point of the August to October drop. That's very important to see all the indices playing ball. Number two, dollar down. We can't talk enough about this downturn in the dollar from 115 in the end of September, now all the way down to 105. So it's diving. And if you notice, that's the exact same time that stocks have bounced. And number three, S&P bottom bounce. So we saw bullish divergence in the S&P as well. Now we traded between 3,600 and 3,800. And technically that told us they're going to 4,000. So we hit 4,000 for the first time in 2 months. Now 4,150 in the S&P is an important level because that's the halfway level of the drop from the January top. And if we can get above that, as we've seen every time in history, a full V recovery. And lastly, the VIX is down here near the 20 level, which is 30% off the highs from just a couple months ago.
It looks like all systems could be go for some more rally action, Alan.
It looks like that's very, very possible.
Well, thank you for your trader talk.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.